Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a fall Halloween makeup look using the new Creative Soul Fright palette, which is a Halloween eyeshadow palette that is just stunning and it's perfect for the season. So I'm just gonna do an eye look today, and first I'm gonna be going in with the shade Pumpkin. It's this really nice orange shade. I'm just going to take a big fluffy brush and I'm going to start working that color in my crease. Next, I'm going in with Candy Corn. It's a little bit of a deeper orange shade, and I'm going to concentrate that in the outer corner of my eye and just kind of blend that together with Pumpkin, just building depth and adding a little more dimension to the look. And then taking Undead, which is a dark burgundy red shade, I'm going to add that right to the outer corner and just kind of blend that in with the orange shades. And I'm using a smaller, more tapered brush so that I can really concentrate the color in the corner of my eye. And then taking Monster, which is this really pretty purple shade, I'm going to use the same brush and kind of do the same thing right over Undead, just to kind of deepen that shade and make it a little more purple. And then taking Ghoul, which is this gorgeous kind of gunmetal silver shade, I'm just going to take my finger and apply that to the inner portion of my lid just to add a nice pop. And then I'm going to take the glitter shade Hocus Pocus, which this video just doesn't do it justice, but it's such a gorgeous shade. And I'm just going to apply that just a little bit right on top. And then I'm going to go ahead and give myself some winged eyeliner. I'm using this Wet n Wild eyeliner. Everything will be linked below. And I'm just going to do my usual kind of wing, because we are going to be using false lashes for this look, so I just want eyeliner to be there so that everything looks nice and blended. And I'm using Craft. These are Creative Soul Cosmetics, our new faux mink eyelashes. They are 100% vegan and cruelty free. So I'm just going to apply a thin coat of mascara, and then I'm going to pop on these lashes. They'll also be linked below. And then we have to take care of the bottom lash line. So I'm basically just going to repeat the same process. I'm going to start with Pumpkin and just kind of blend it on the lower lash line. And then I'm going to take Candy Corn and kind of concentrate that towards the outer corner of the lower lash line. And then I'm going to do the same with Undead and Monster, just so that it matches what's on top of the lid. And then I am also going to put a little bit of Ghoul on the inner corner of the lower lash line. And then I'm taking Skeleton, which is kind of like an iridescent silvery shade in the palette. And I'm going to put that right in the corner of my eyes. And then for bronzer, I'm just going to pop on some Hoola bronzer. Nothing too crazy. Just going to give myself a little bit more of a bronzed look, but I'm not doing contour or anything today. So just adding that to the cheekbones and the forehead and just blending that out. And then I'm just going to add a pop of blush just to the cheeks, just to give my face a little bit of color. And this is just like a really nice peachy shade. And then for highlight, I'm using Champagne Pop. It's almost gone, using the last bit of it, but I'm just gonna pop that on to the very tops of my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, and then also just in that area right above my brows, just where the light will hit. And then for lips, I definitely wanted to do something vampy, so I'm using this Vamp lip liner from LA Girl, and I'm just gonna use that to line my lips because using dark lipstick, it tends to bleed out a lot, so you definitely want to have a lip liner on underneath any dark lipstick. So I'm just going to line my entire lips, and then I'm going to go in using this Kylie Cosmetics, I think it's Court K lip kit, which I'm not sure if they even sell it anymore. I've had it for ages, but I really love the color. So I'm just going to apply that right on top, and that will be the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget, go grab Fright now. It is limited edition and it is almost sold out. So go get yours for the spooky season, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!